Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just filming this look, which is a very graphic look and very different from what I normally do, but I saw it on Instagram and I thought it was so beautiful, and then I ordered the eyeshadow and it took like 4 weeks to get here, and I finally got it today. So that's why today's video is just a little bit late, because I didn't think that I was gonna have it, and then I do. So I decided to film, but it's like almost, I think, 5:30 right now, so I definitely won't have it up by 6 because I still have to edit it. Anyways, I'm rambling, but if you guys are interested in this look, then just go ahead and keep watching. I posted a picture on my story and everybody really liked it, even though I forgot to do like the quiz part where I asked if you guys wanted to see a video. I just asked and then there was no option to answer, so you guys had to DM me. Sorry about that. I thought it was kind of funny though, but even so, you guys were interested, so I'm gonna do it. These are some like reference pictures that I think are pretty cool and very inspiring. Last night when I was playing around with makeup and I did like an open double wing, but I'm debating today if I should close it, because I like the ones that are closed more. I just don't know if my eye shape is like, if we're there, you know? I'm just gonna start by first mapping out like the shape that I want with my Anastasia brow pen. This is just like a really light brown. You can take any eyeliner. All I happen to have right now is liquid eyeliner, so this is what I'll be using. And personally, this is a mistake I made yesterday. I was practicing yesterday because it was a bit more of a intense look and I haven't done makeup in a while. So I made the mistake yesterday of lifting up my eye to draw the shape, and when I put my eyes down and relaxed, it like looked super wonky. So don't lift up your eyebrows, especially if you have hooded eyes. So I kind of have a natural crease here just where my eyelid folds over. That's kind of what I'm following. Okay, so there's a very light outline. If you can tell more when I raise my eyelid. This is where I kind of messed up the shaping. It's fine. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do that on my other eye. I'm only gonna show directions on one eye because that's all I need to do. Okay, so this is my better eye. I just feel like it's more suited for eyeshadow. For some reason, this eye's a bit more hooded. I don't know if you guys can tell. I can. You can just see more eyelid space on this eye. Do you notice that? So this is my favorite eye to do eye makeup on, and it's always been tricky for me to do these kinds of looks because my eyes are very like differently shaped. So now I'm just gonna mark my wing to where I'm gonna essentially connect those lines. And again, if you have hooded eyes, my eyes aren't so hooded yet. I'm sure they will as age goes on. The crease of my eye is starting to reach right where eyeliner would normally flare out. So as I've aged, not that much, I'm only 22, but like I am starting to notice differences in my skin. Like I have a smile wrinkle right there. The other day I noticed I'm starting to get a wrinkle here from frowning, because I make this face when I concentrate, which is so bad. But I am starting to notice like little tiny differences that weren't there like 3 years ago. So yeah, my eyes are definitely starting to become more hooded, and that's been a challenge with makeup. So what you want to do is always relax your eye so you can see where it's going to end up. And then what I'm going to do is just draw a little line. I might actually have to lift my eye a little. And essentially what I'm gonna do is fill this entire area here with black, because that's just what you have to do with hooded eyes. It's just the only thing that's gonna make it look right. Okay, so as you can see, very light shape. And I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other eye. As you can see, when I lift up my eyebrows, these look so insane, but when I close my eyes and when it's all put together, you're gonna notice that they're actually very symmetrical with my eyes relaxed, but they might look a little crazy outside of that. So the main star of today's video is this eyeshadow from Flower Beauty, which I was so excited to get. I waited a really long time because of the whole pandemic and like everything is slowed down right now. This took 4 weeks. I ordered it pre-pandemic, literally like the day before my city like shut down. So fun. But anyways, yes, this stuff is so pigmented. I was looking up like really good blue eyeshadows because you obviously have to like have something very pigmented for this look. So I was trying to find that, and look at that. Like I just barely, like, I'll do it on another finger, look. It is a cream eyeshadow, but like look at that. Like it's so vibrant. It is a cream, but it is eventually supposed to dry down and like turn into a chalk, but yesterday when I was playing with this, that takes a long time. So for me, I just really worked the product in and like spread it around as much as I could, and that helped it dry down and become more chalky. But I did end up having to go in and like set it with some setting powder, which altered the color a little bit, and I'm probably gonna have to do that again today, so oh well. But so you could use one of those like paddle rounded brushes for this, but I don't have one of those with me. So I used this brush yesterday. It's from Sigma, and it's just like a spot concealing brush, and it worked just fine, although it was a bit tricky to get it to lay smoothly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and literally fill in that shape. And I'm not gonna take it all the way to my lash line because I'm gonna cover that with eyeliner anyways, and that's just gonna make my life harder. Okay, so I think I'm pretty happy with that shape. Again, doesn't have to be perfect where you know you're gonna put eyeliner. As you can see though, it is kind of already having a creasing situation. So I will have to set it. Gotcha.
Oh, you're not putting that in.
Okay, so now I'm just going and evenly spreading where my eye creased so that I can set it with powder. I'm gonna use the Airspun powder. Not my favorite, not gonna lie, it's very drying and it makes my eyes peel, not because I'm allergic to it or anything, just because that's how dry my skin is. So if you have a powder you like that doesn't cost $40 like the Laura Mercier one, drop me a comment down below and I would love to try it. I'm pretty sure this is like a body powder, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like it's not meant for your face. That's how dry it makes my skin. I'm gonna take the same eyeshadow palette I use in every single video that's no longer available. I'm so sorry. But I'm just gonna take a really bright matte white and I'm gonna place that on the inner corner and then also on my brow bone. Oh, see how much better this eye looks? Like poopy eye, whatever. Now,
poopy eye.
Okay, so now for the fun part. That's gonna take me 30 minutes to finish. I'm just gonna take my Clinique Pretty Easy liquid eyeliner pen. This is my favorite eyeliner of all time, just because I hate, what do you call it? Is it mesh? Like felt, that's what it is. Felt tip eyeliners suck. They always dry out. They last like 2 weeks. They never work. This I've had for probably 4 months and I don't even use it every day. And it's still not dried out, which is shocking. So yeah, I like this eyeliner. And it's also matte. I don't like shiny, oops. I don't like shiny eyeliners because I just don't think it looks as nice. I'm just gonna do a pretty heavy wing. Like I said, I'm gonna do it so that when I open my eyes, you don't see the crease of my eye. And then I'm just gonna let it dry. I know it looks totally wacky right now. I forgot to put in my contacts too. No. Okay, I'll do that in a second. Just be really careful once you open your eye. So see, that's how it looks when I open my eyes. It looks just like normal thick eyeliner because that's how my eye is shaped. This part is also a little tricky with the hooded eyes. Can you see that? I don't know if you can with the black, but my eyes fold over each other, so I can't just like do this, which is really annoying. Okay, so that's looking pretty decent. Kind of bad. Okay, that is how it looks with my eye open. That was very hard to do. So I'm gonna go do my other eye off camera and I will be back. Okay, so here's how they look done. And now I'm gonna do the upper layer and I'm gonna do a much thinner line to do that. Okay, so that's how it looks with about halfway of the line done. And I think I'm just gonna slowly like taper it. And then I'm just gonna do the other side. Okay, that's done and over with finally. So now I'm just gonna draw on some fake eyelashes on my bottom lash line. Oh my gosh, that was so hard. And I really did not do a good job on that, but from far away you can't tell, so it's fine. I'm over it. I'm so over it. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face now. I'm gonna go in with some Freck, and this is actually the larger size, which they are finally selling again, so I'm vouching for it because I personally don't think the smaller size is that worth it. So the big size definitely is though. If you guys are interested, then just use my code. It's Daisy10. I'll have it right here, and I'll also have the link and the code in the description. But yeah, I'm just gonna add some more freckles since the foundation pretty much covered up anything you could see. And a good tip for this project is, or for this product, is that I like to use it while it's still wet, almost as a stamp. So that makes it look a lot more natural. So that's how it kind of ends up looking. I really like it. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with this, actually I should probably line my lips first. I don't know where my lip liner went, so I'm gonna have to use this one that's almost out from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Pillow Talk. I'm gonna use this Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Storm. It's a bit more neutral than the one I use for my cheeks. This one's a bit more bright and purple. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my lips. Like so. Just really want like a nice natural color that's not too distracting. And then I'm just gonna use this lip gloss from Neutrogena. It's got SPF, which is pretty cool. And yeah. I just realized that I never put on mascara, but you can't even really tell because my eyeliner is so thick. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some on and then we'll be done with the look. Okay, so I just remembered that I was gonna put contacts in for this video, and it's gonna be so hard to put them in now that I just finished my makeup, but it's fine. I'm just gonna avoid doing my bottom lashes until I get those contacts in. So I'm gonna do that and then we'll be right back. Okay, so I just wanted to film really quick so you could see the difference in my eye color with these contacts in the light. I don't know. I just always think that graphic liner and like really colorful looks always look better with brown eyes. I think green eyes can be a bit like distracting in a sense, like they kind of, I don't know, I just think it looks better with brown. So I decided to put my brown contacts in. These are actually from TTD Eye. I also have a code for them, so I think it's the same actually. I think it's Daisy10. So I'll have those linked down below as well. And I'm gonna put the other one in. So then I'm just gonna do one last little thing, and this is just so nitpicky of me, but I really don't like the look of having product in my eyebrows. So I'm gonna take some oil on the back of my hand and then my Anastasia spoolie, and then where's my mirror? I just like to comb through my brows to get off any like powder or foundation and just give them one last final, you know, spruce. Golden hour selfie. Just wandering around the streets. Not really. Practice social distancing. I'm just in like the alleyway behind Oliver's house trying to get like a cute selfie. It's really hard though. Would a brick wall be cute maybe? Let's try it. No. I'm getting too far away from the house and I'm scared. Sorry if there's a bad background. I can't do it. Bye. Okay, you guys. So that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe down below and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload, which is every Tuesday and Friday at 6 o'clock. So I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.